back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review the, amazing affordable Bluetooth earphones that I have been using for 2 years now, which is the boAt Rockerz 255. So guys, these are the boAt Rockerz 255 and these are the pair of Bluetooth earphones which I have been using for more than 2 years now, and today we are going to review this product. So guys, starting off with the product, it's an amazing neckband style Bluetooth earphone. So it is completely wireless. It's a neckband style Bluetooth earphone here. So you do not need to connect a wire to your phone. It works on the Bluetooth technology. Starting off, we can see the boAt branding right here. There's a boAt branding here and a boAt branding here as well. And even on the earbuds, you can see that there is a boAt branding on the earbuds as well. And it's made from amazing product, like the materials is amazing because it is quite flexible and you don't need to worry about it getting getting damaged or stuff, because it is a quite flexible, made out of quite flexible material here. The neckband is made of it. Also the wire that they have is this flat wire which doesn't get tangled that often, and also it doesn't break. So it's break resistant kind of wire because it's a flat wire. When it comes to those round wired earphones, the major problem it used to have is the wires should get cut and stuff, but you will never face that issue with these flat wired earphones. That's the best part of these. Now moving on to the earbuds. Now the earbuds come with a magnetic bag, so they stick along like this as well, and they have these earmuffs that are there, which make it very comfortable when they are in the ears. Nice and soft it is. The earbuds are very nice and soft here, which you can like easily keep it in your ear for quite some time and without feeling any pain in your ear. Now moving on, here we have the pause play button or the answer the call. You can answer a call from here. This is the volume plus button here. The volume plus button is here, and the volume minus. You can also use this button to change tracks, right? Here is the charging port, USB charging port is here, micro USB charging port is there on the other side, nothing is there on the other side, just the boAt branding is there. Here you can see the small light here which keeps blinking when the earphones are connected to a device, so it will keep blinking. Moving on. Now coming to the price of the product. So what is the price of the boAt Rockerz 255? So guys, these earphones are available on Amazon for just rupees 1199, that 1199, and it's an amazing earphones under rupees 2000 to buy in India, because the quality of sound, the clarity of sound is just amazing. Also it has extra bass, so people who like to hear music which has extra bass like house music or techno music and stuff, they are going to completely love this product because there's that extra bass in it which gives it a whole new effect, right? So guys, this is my review about the boAt Rockerz 255. Yeah, one more thing, these headphones are water resistant and sweat resistant and IPX5 level of IPX5, which makes them water resistant and sweat resistant. So that is another good part. So guys, if you all are looking to buy the boAt Rockerz 255 earphones, I left a link in the description below. You can purchase it from Amazon. And if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.